Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the LAIMITTOS brand portable rechargeable work light. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get this out of the box, very easy portable, nice long USB-A to USB-C charging cable. There are instructions in here as well, but this should be relatively simple to figure out. So big power button, totally adjustable here, can spin 180 degrees and be a simple light like so. On the bottom, I believe, is magnetic charging right here. Let's turn this on. Hold that battery or that power button for a couple seconds. There's going to be another light at the edge here. So there's a couple different ways to use this. At the bottom, kind of like a pointer flashlight. Press it again, you'll have the main lamp here. Little emergency red flasher, and there you go. So really nice capability there, and I do think, yep, it is magnetic, so we'll show that in play as well. But really nice functionality. Does not look like it has any kind of indicator for battery, so let me double check on that. So I can't find that, but I did want to show another feature. So if you long press this, when it's in the main work light area, you'll notice that it dims and then comes back up. So I'm just going to hold this the whole time, and you'll see that it's kind of bright and going darker and then back up. So if you want to kind of get it to a softer lighting, just hold and kind of let it get dimmer, and that'll obviously save you some battery, but it'll also make it a little bit easier on your eyes if it's too bright, which is a thing to think of. So durable looking. Let's go. Let's try this out. So showing you on a computer here, we open this thing up, and this thing makes it super easy to kind of adjust and move around, and the magnetic capability is really fantastic. So huge fan of this. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching. Definitely worth buying.